Good afternoon, my beautiful people. Yes, Rasta. So guys, I'm gonna go link up my friend at Stony Hill Road. You see me, so let's give you guys a little ride out. As usual, you guys asked me to do more filming of Port Antonio, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah man, so let's go now. That's the new building they're working on. Oh. Yeah. In the Bowenbrook area now. This road on the left goes to Falkland. Yeah man. Bowenbrook Infant School right over here. Boom General. Yeah. Go on.
Up, you know.
Yeah. Bless. Alright guys, so that's back road right there. You know, them place some grow up peeps run up and down, you know. So we have Springbank Road on the left here guys. You know the vibes. Lighthouse Road on the left here guys. Yeah, man. So come up on Stony Hill Road you know. Go across this river. So this is Stony Hill Road guys. This hill go all the way up. Alright. So this is where the journey, the riding in for me guys. I have to walk the rest of it. Sun turn up. Alright, so This is also my primary school, guys. Don't know if you can see it very well, but that's called Boundbrook Primary. Yeah man, that's my primary school. Yeah, so whole heap of memories at this place. Yeah man, so we'll go up the hill. It's not really far, you know, but don't want to also give away my friend location, so that's what's up. Yeah man. Whew. I go and walk like a bit same way. We don't know. Yeah. Realize that a lot of you guys who've been watching the videos live overseas, you know, and haven't seen a hometown or a street in a long time, so you ask and I deliver. Yeah man. Whew. Alright guys, so left on the road again, given a different angle, you know. So I'm gonna run on the long wall side, go link my friend again the same way. So I'm just give you guys a different angle. So this video is so this around long wall, guys. Yeah. This is the courthouse, big hell of a courthouse, you know. Don't want to find myself in this place. We have Juicy Patty next door. Remember when I was younger, guys, this place used to be a guava walk full of guava trees, and it's all built up, you know. Politician and left them colors all over the place. That's a market shop, guys, going straight to Kingston. Yeah man, first and last this, you know. One of them places of peeps used to come catch wally for mudfish in the river when we younger, you know. done them thing there years now. My grandmother lived close by here. Thing. Yeah. Church of God of Prophecy. Yeah, man. Well, a back road, you know. This is the next handle of work. This is the next handle of Brownbrook Primary School, you know. Go across the river again. Yes, Rasta. So this is where I'm gonna end it for now, guys. Yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed the little ride. You see me? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go now.